Water's moving pretty good.
Yeah.
It's 53 degrees now, 10 degrees colder.
Oh yeah, you can feel it. You can feel a little cooler now.
Yeah. 13 feet. Now it's dropping.
I'd like to see what's around that bend there.
Yeah.
Now, I mean, we made it this far, shoot.
12 feet.
12 feet?
Yeah. Keeps dropping.
Yeah, it's turning into a river now.
Yeah.
What's your sides look like?
It's still pretty deep. 11 feet. I used to have one that was shot out sideways. It showed me sideways, but it busted.
Oh, man.
I think want $300 for another one. I said, nah, I'm all right.
Yeah.
This is fine just the way it is.
I don't blame you.
Quite a current here in this turn. Rock.
What are you at?
Big rock back there. See that boulder?
That'd be funny if someone was hiking over here. What the heck?
Yeah. Could be lost like Shane.
Yeah. Well, we did our first time something new today.
Yeah, this is the first time I've ever been up this far.
Yeah.
Fish are here. Yeah, there's still fish here.
A lot of fish?
Not that many, but some. Is it showing you where we're at on your maps?
No, I have
Or you're
to.
just videoing?
No, I'm videoing. Yeah. I didn't pre-download that far. If we make it to Briceburg, I think I have that on there. But I'm pretty sure you'll be white capped by that
water,
time.
Oh yeah, that water
we'll be
is
dead.
moving, man.
We'd be dead by that time.
Yeah, that water's crazy. I don't even think a jet boat would make it up there.
Yeah, people told me you'd have to be crazy to take a kayak down this river because it's deadly.
Yeah. I'd just put in where it's even the currents. I mean, the way the eddies turn and stuff.
Yeah. It gets nice and flat in here.
Yeah, that's nice right there.
Is that the water swaying you, or?
Huh?
Were you swaying the boat, or the water
That's
swaying?
bothering me.
The 12 feet of water still?
13.
13? Went up, wow.
Water's moving pretty fast now, so it's clearing all the junk out already.
Oh yeah, it's a good thing. gonna take the wave runner now over here.
Yeah. All right. There's a high point right there. See that?
Was it? Oh yeah.
It went down to like 7 feet right there.
Dang.
Oh, look at this. These are cool. There's a place up north somewhere, Devil's File, Post File. They're all like hexagon. Almost like that. That's pretty cool. I always wanted to go up there.
Where at?
Devil's Post File.
Oh.
It's some monument and they're all hexagon like crystals.
Isn't that?
All like that. It's up north somewhere, man.
Oh, it's not on the other side of the mountain?
No, I think it's up north somewhere. Towards Yosemite, between Yosemite and Reno.
Oh, I thought it was
It's way
Mammoth or something.
I said, I don't want to go nowhere that's named the devil.
Yeah.
I went to call it something else.
Yeah.
7 feet. Now
7 feet? Dang.
We're getting shallow now. 9 feet.
That's like my height almost. I can almost tippy toe.
Easter, we seen Squatch over there.
Where?
At Easter, Columbia.
Oh.
They got a guy wander around.
Oh,
take
yeah.
pictures and stuff. Yeah, there's still fish. That'd been something to see the train still there.
I would.
That would be a heck of a ride. I'd pay to go on it. I don't care how much.
Yeah.
Dinner and stuff. All right, that's probably as far as we can go. It's getting down to 8 feet.
8 feet? Dang.
Yeah.
Well, you said 7 earlier, right?
Yeah. It's pretty flat, flattened out though. I don't see no big rocks. It's not really flat. There was a fire back in here, back in the day.
I should pinpoint on my map here, and go look.
How
to
far
see.
we went,
Yeah.
yeah.
'Cause I wouldn't.
When the water was this high, we know, okay, water's 280 feet. We know we can get all the way back here.
Wonder. So it looks like it arches around.
Yeah, I probably keep it shallower and shallower.
Like a snake, probably.
Oh yeah.
You see?
Guaranteed. Go through the valleys, lowest points. All right, let's turn around.